In the beginning, when you sign up and go to the Online Store section for the first time, you'll see a short setup wizard. It quickly guides you through choosing a theme, setting up your navigation, and selecting a domain for your store. Often, it's a good idea to test multiple themes to see which one fits your brand the best. In this video, we'll focus on how you can change your theme later. To change your theme, go to Online Store. At the bottom of the page, click Install a new theme. A list of available themes opens. Click Install on the theme you want to use. Next, you'll be taken back to the Online Store page, and the theme you just installed will now appear below your current theme. Installation might take a couple seconds. To use the new theme, click Publish Theme, and again choose Confirm. Your new theme will move to the top of the page, and from there, you can open it and start customizing.